Hey everybody, welcome back. We're going to take a look at another work from home job here. This is Alpine Home Air Products. It's a heating and cooling store. They're looking for a customer service rep, and as it shows, it is fully remote, based out of the United States. And this is basically HVAC, or heating, ventilation, and air conditioning supplies. So they ship equipment to homes and businesses, and they've been in business for a number of years now. So if you have a background in heating, air conditioning, great. I think that's going to help you out a lot. If you don't, it looks like they're going to do some training. But what you're going to do with this job is you're going to answer phone calls, you're going to manage emails, you have different tasks that you're going to have to complete. You'll approve customer orders and verify orders in their CRM system, customer response management system. And you're going to have to be a good listener and understand what the customers needs and making a solution for them. So they're going to come to you with problems involving heating and air conditioning, whether it be home or business, and you're going to have to make some suggestions. So that's where having a background would be really good and help you out. Um, so you are going to be maintaining professionalism. You're going to be helping out your customers, and you're going to be doing a lot of learning along the way. This is an industry that's constantly changing. Um, so you're going to help with ordering items, helping them get invoices. You'll be tracking the shipments, making changes if necessary. If anything is not right or they need to change it, you'll be helping out with returns, finding installers, working with warranties if something happens. And some of the things that they're looking for, obviously helping people. You have to have communication skills. And they would like to see a track record of problem solving. But if you don't have it, it looks like it's going to be okay. They want you to be able to type, they want you to be able to listen. And there's some other things in here, basically answering calls, emails, basic things, customer service. You have to have internet. You have to have power supply. You have to have a quiet workspace without any interruptions, which is pretty common with work from home. And it's going to be scheduled hours, so it's not so much flexible. But it is remote. It is work from home. And they want you to have a backup plan for power, equipment outages, internet outages. So compensation is experience related. They do have benefits, so group health insurance, health savings, retirement, life insurance, education, equipment, and training are provided. Very important. So how much are you going to make? So Glassdoor is showing $36,000 a year. 35 base, $1,600 additional pay, which would be extra, maybe bonuses, benefits, profit sharing. Company like this, you probably get profit sharing. Indeed is showing $15 an hour. So 15 to $16, $17 an hour, I think is what you're looking at based on experience. Link will be below. Check them out if this is something that interests you, especially if you have air conditioning, heating experience in the past. Good luck. I hope those interested get the job, and we will talk soon. Bye.